Some recipes bring back beautiful memories just like this pork pochero dish.
Simpol, luto na
So, gagamit tayo ng ating pressure cooker kasi alam mo na ngayon, mahal yung gas. And we will save time. I'm adding my garlic and my onions. Saute until aromatic, no? So that all the flavors come out, no? So, itong recipe na to is the favorite recipe of Nits Bustos. Ito siya kasi galing to sa kanyang late mother. And of course, this is a dish that can be enjoyed by the entire family, no? Ang sarap niya kasi one-pot dish siya with all the good stuff, vegetables and meat in one. And I'm adding here pork. So, ito siya, pork cubes, pwedeng adobo cut. Ito siya, kasim yung gamit ko. Gigisa lang natin ng konti. And we will add our chicken stock. Whatever stock you want, chicken stock, pork stock. And I will pressure cook this until tender. So, ito mabilis to kasi pressure cooker. So, mga 12 to 15 minutes, okay na to siya. And we release the steam from our pressure cooker. It's very important para safe tayo, no? As soon as there is no more steam, hindi na siya nagwi-whistle. You can remove the pressure valve. Yan. Malambot na siya, but not yet sobrang lambot, no? Because we will still add more of our ingredients. I'm adding my patatas and carrots. You will add your garbanzo beans, very chunky. And I will add, ito yung very important ingredient natin, ang ating UFC tomato gisado. And if you want a copy of this recipe, well, not only this recipe, but 49 other recipes, you can download the cookbook, the UFC 50th Anniversary Cookbook. Yan. And we posted the link. Yan. So, very nice, very easy, very delicious recipes. So, what we do now, we just mix it all together. We can add more liquid, just enough, no? And we can let that cook again in our pressure cooker. We will season with a little bit of patis. So, yung ginawa ko dito, bakit hindi ko sinabay yung aking carrots and potatoes on the first go is because kung sinabay ko siya, baka madurog na yung aking vegetables while your meat is still tough. So, ito siya, by doing it in batches, you will ensure that perfectly cooked lahat. I will also add my bananas, saba, and I will also put pamintang buo, yan, whole peppercorns. So, surely, ito, masarap to siyang ating pochero. And I will just let it cook again for another 6 to 8 minutes. Yan. So, for a second time, release na natin yung ating steam. And we will add our vegetables. Ito na lang yung ating pechay and our Baguio beans. And all the rest is cooked. Oh my, look at that. It's beautiful. And itong pochero, it tastes even better the day after. We will now add our other vegetables. So, may akong Baguio beans. Pwede din sitaw. So, ang cooking talaga is really timing, ha? No? So, the harder ingredients have to cook longer. Add our gulay. Last. Na-blanch ko na yan. Ang aking gulay. I will just put it aside for garnish later. Sarap with the chorizo, the garbanzos, the patatas. Such a very comforting dish. Masarap din to, may kalabasa. It's perfect. Try this recipe at home. Ang ating pork pochero. Simpol!